Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very simple, easy, but at the same time it gives a very stylish and designer type look, because in this video I'm sharing very beautiful design patterns of hand embroidery that you can use to design your various type of handmade accessories, stylish girls items. Even you can use this for your home decor, for wall art, for hoop art, for dress designing, and many more dimension, perspectives and creativities as per your choices. All you have to do is just follow these patterns, these color combinations, these ideas, these embroidery stitches, and create a very stylish and trendy thing in the remarkable history of your hand art. So one by one we are going to discuss and enlist which type of thread material is required, how you can accomplish or design these very beautiful and easy patterns. And one more thing, these patterns are absolutely favorable for the hand embroidery beginners, those who have just started their career in hand embroidery, or they are artists, or they are just lovers of hand embroidery and they are in search of beautiful but easy patterns. Then this video collection is absolutely for you. Now the thread you can use for making these patterns is as per your choice, whichever thread you want to use. That is, sewing thread can be used for this, wool could be used to embroider these patterns, anchor, DMC, or any other type of silky threads could also be used. But at the same time you can also use ribbon for making these very beautiful and easy patterns as well, to give a more shiny, sleek and beautiful touch. So friends, all of these designs are a combination of simple, short, medium, or a very beautiful bunches of flowers. You can use these as all over embroidery flowers for designing your shirt, kurti, or for the yokes of your frocks, maxis or gowns, for designing baby girl dresses. Even you can also use these to design the accessories of girls that they use in their everyday life. Like you can also embroider these patterns onto your handbags, bags, clasp bag, clutch. Even you can design these very beautiful onto the fabric material based footwear, shoes, boots. You can design these cushions, pillows by following these patterns. And not only this, you can also make these very beautiful and easy patterns onto the hand knitted stuff like gloves, sweaters, cardigans, ponchos. You can design these for home decor, like on pillows, cushion covers, bed sheets, table covers, table mats, for accessories like mobile covers, glasses covers, and many more other creativities. So if you really like these design patterns, please do try them. And if you are an embroidery beginner, you have started up a business and you want to sell your embroidery art, then kindly go for these very easy and less effort required, more money making design ideas and patterns. So hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new video. Subscribe my channel for watching more very beautiful, stylish and easy handmade, handcrafted stuff and everyday fashionable girl accessory. So stay tuned. Meet you soon back in my new videos. Up till then, take care.